Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you on how you can install WordPress on a site in cPanel. This is a step-by-step guide so you can be able to follow easily. Now I'm inside my control panel right here, and all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the Install WordPress on the subcategories that we have right here. Once inside, you can then go ahead and see this page. You want to go ahead and click on the install button, and right after that you can just go ahead and click on the quick install. From here you then want to scroll all the way down. You can then go ahead and change some options right here if you want to. For example, you have the admin account, you have the plugins that you have the custom versions that you want to install, and lastly you have the selected themes. Right after that, go ahead and click on install. Wait for the installation to finish. This can go ahead and take 3 to 4 minutes depending on your website, and right after that you should be good to go. We can then go ahead and see that we have managed to install WordPress successfully. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.